Let us have a look now on Facebook experience. Facebook took just 9 months from launch in January 2004 to reach 1 million users. They were able to gain substantial investments to continue to develop the business. Guess what? $250 million from Microsoft, $200 million from Digital Sky. Facebook took time to understand how human psychology drives behavior, that people around the world now use many types of digital devices to socialize, to be entertained, connect with others, share information. The point I want to make out of this slide is that without analytics, Facebook wouldn't have been able to see the growth, wouldn't have been able to show the investors the growth, wouldn't have been able to make patterns, predict, anticipate. And with the analytics, they were able to analyze the psychology and predict what services that the consumer will like, or the user will like, and will not like. In the second slide of the Facebook experience, they did what I call the magic mix. They developed an understanding of the psychology and needs of the people. They responded in a timely manner to users' concern, exceeding their expectations. What I can benefit from this point? I do the same. I should do the same in my website landing page, which we will come later at. My landing page, colors, pattern, design, structure, proposal, offers, should take into consideration the psychology of my user. So the better I know about my potential buyer from the very beginning of the research, the better I will be able to serve him with the tools I have. Second point in the Facebook, it is continuously developing improvements and innovation, which keep it constantly ahead of the competition. To do that, they have to invest in the resources itself too, that will be using this technology. Facebook is constantly learning from its rival mistakes. Facebook has a solid understanding of IT and implemented sophisticated algorithms to be able to handle the huge amounts of data produced by the 2.5 billion active monthly users. It is not only Facebook. Netflix did the same. There was a very famous competitor to Netflix called Blockbuster. They were doing these CDs and they burn it and they send it to your home by delivery whenever you order it from the e-commerce shop, and you get whatever you want. But actually Netflix, they had analytics, they had good research, they understood better how the consumer is reacting to the IP, Internet Protocol, and its development. So they started to do the streaming, install their analytics, so they know better now than even family members. When do you want to watch the movie? When do you rewind? Which day of the week? What time? What they can offer you? What do they suggest to you? All this from analytics. They monitor and track and analyze the usage. So the usage of their videos, etc. How can I benefit from this? There are particularly successful features for using the analytics. Monitor, track, and analyze the usage of the company main website, track visitors' behaviors and try to enhance user experience, measure and determine the efficiency of the website's menu system, come up with the most effective way for redesigning the website, anticipate consumer needs and market trends.